Hey guys, I'm back with a buff test, and today's buff test is going to be not a paint buff test because I don't have any roller and that kind of paint at the moment, but it will be a chemical buff, yes, because most of the tags get removed by chemicals. We will be using my 99% rubbing alcohol and 100% acetone. We will be using paper towels, and we'll be using socks, so it'll be sort of like a ShamWow. Let's begin. Alright guys, here's the sock with rubbing alcohol. We'll do half of each tag. So let's begin. Illadel Bombing Ink Blue. So remember guys, 99% rubbing alcohol. Trust me, you wouldn't be the one cleaning this off. And by the way guys, it's a non-pore surface. And the drips, make sure when you do the tag you make a drip, because the drips are ultra hard to remove. There you go. Now for the acetone. See guys, it's better remove with rubbing alcohol so it doesn't smear as much. Now I'll be back for the Illadel Bombing Ink Red. Alright, so for the Bombing Ink Red, we have a rubbing alcohol. We'll do the half again. The red's really nice. As you can see, it smears. The blue is meant more for the chemical buff, as you can see on the Illadel Styles on YouTube buff test. And I'm pressing pretty hard on this. And look at that nice ghost. Look at that nice ghost. Now I'll be showing you the acetone. This doesn't help. The acetone doesn't help. It just smears it even worse. So for everyone graffiti cleaners who's watching this, I hope they don't, but acetone is a lot worse to remove Illadel with. And I don't even know how they'll be able to identify what kind of ink it is too. So guys, rubbing alcohol is the best to remove. The acetone is more like to remove paints, like Montana's fluids and stuff like that. Next, I'll be doing the Black Label, the hardest staining ink on the market, with the rubbing alcohol. I'm pressing pretty hard on this. This is what happens when you try to move it with 99% rubbing alcohol. Eventually it goes off, but all the inks still with rubbing alcohol, 99%. It's a removing agent. But unfortunately, you get that. And make sure with all these inks you make your tag drip. They'll be even 3 times as hard to remove, because the ink is like thicker. Now I'll be back for the acetone. Acetone. Once again, it smears it like a boss. But that's not what the graffiti removers would really want. They would not like to smear it. They want to just remove it and go home with the friggin' Black Label though. That's fucking nasty. Next for the Magnum, the one you buy at Office Max, Home Depot, or any other kind of store. For the Magnum, we got rubbing alcohol. So you see there's like a couple of Illadel black label drips or whatever. This is the Magnum. Hold on, I'll put some more. Alright, right now I'll be showing you the acetone. Now for the acetone. Yes, seems like the acetone is the only solvent here that does the best on this Magnum. Now I'll be showing the homemade one with the little mix. Now for the homemade mix, rubbing alcohol. I'll remove the home and I'll leave the aid to the acetone. Just on me now, I'll do the acetone. Now for the acetone. As you can see, guys, the Illadel Red, the black label, did the best. The Magnum, I don't know what happened there, but the Magnum was pretty good, but it's not worth $10. So here's the buff test, guys, with the Illadel Bombing Red, Illadel Bombing Ink, Red, Blue, Black Label V2, Sharpie Magnum, homemade with a mix. And so yeah, guys, I did with 99% rubbing alcohol and acetone. Hope you guys liked the video. Rate, comment, like, subscribe, and yep.